In this lesson, you made a copy of a spreadsheet that was automatically generated from sales data. Although it was accurate, it wasn't very well organized, easy to read, or visually appealing. Formatting, color coding, and organizing your spreadsheet makes it easier for you and the people you share it with to find and analyze data quickly. To make it more engaging, you duplicated the original sheet and assigned it a tab color, added rows and columns, typed data into cells, added and edited headers, added data validation to certain cells, and sorted your data by a specific column. The skills you learned in this lesson are useful for other types of spreadsheets as well. For instance, you might use cell merging to clearly delineate headers and subheaders in a personal budget, borders to divide sections of a spreadsheet covering months of the year in a job application tracker, data validation to assign a team member to a task in a project tracker, or sorting to arrange a list of volunteers in alphabetical order. Keep creating new spreadsheets to master the skills you learned in this lesson.